Like, I love it. People say it don't have enough power. The SV650 has enough power, bro. And this is a 2001 model. Like, I can do what I need to do or want to do on here. Like, if I really wanted to pass this traffic, I guarantee you I could. I might be a little crazy for riding in this weather, but I ride any day that I can, for real. It's cloudy. I wish the sun was out. The weather did lie to me, telling me it was gonna be a lot warmer. Or yesterday, at least. Not yesterday. Not today. This morning, it said it. Like, literally, it's like 37 degrees.